Hi, I'm Gloria Shirley, Digital Learning Coach, and in this video, we will learn how to use guided access with an iPad. Guided access allows you as a parent or teacher to limit the device to a single app and lets you control which features are available. You can turn on guided access when you let a child or a student use your device, or when accidental gestures might distract you. So to set up guided access, we're going to go to Settings, and we're looking for Accessibility, so it's right here in the General group of settings. And then we're looking for guided access. So you can see it's down here. And we're going to turn this on. So we'll click into this and turn it on. We can toggle it off and on. So we want it on, and then we're going to touch passcode settings. And you're going to enter a passcode and then re-enter it so that you can lock it into guided access. So here's the passcode, so we're going to tap that. And I'm just going to enter in my passcode and then ask me to re-enter it. Okay, now that I've done that, we're going to start a guided access session. But first we want to navigate to the app that we want to lock the device into. So I'm going to go here to my Canvas student app, and we're going to open that up. Then we're going to tap into the course where I want my student to stay. Now we're ready to enable guided access. So we're going to rapidly click the home button 3 times. And you can see it says guided access started. Now the iPad is locked into this app. Let me show you some of the options you have with guided access. I can get into the options by triple clicking the device again. Enter my passcode, and you can see in the top left, this is how I would end the guided access session. The top right is resuming. You can see down at the bottom it says circle areas on the screen you would like to disable. So say I don't want my students to go back out of this course, I can circle up here on the back button. I can move that around, or I can even delete that by Xing out. But then this keeps my student from going back out of this course. So they're not only locked into the Canvas app, but they're locked into this course. So down in the bottom left is some additional options. So I'm going to open that up and just tell you what these are. The sleep-wake button is to turn off the sleep-wake button on the device. The volume button, of course, is to lock in the volume and not allow that to be increased or decreased. Motion is to limit how your device responds to motion. Turn this off. For example, your screen won't respond when shaken, and the screen won't rotate no matter how you hold your device. The keyboard is to turn off the keyboard so that it does not appear. The touch is if you want your device to ignore screen touches. Turn this off. So those are some of your options. So just tap away to get rid of that, and tap in the top right to resume the session. It says time limit 15 minutes. And then again, to end the session, we're going to triple click the home button, enter the passcode, And then in the top left, we'll just tap End, and it tells us guided access ended.